Hey everybody, it's Emily and this is EmiLou.Arts, and today I am doing a little planning. So I'm setting up the week of April 20th through the 26th in my A5 Hobonichi cousin, Avec. God, I can't stop burping every time I start to do this stupid intro. Ugh. Pardon, I fixed myself. And then I am setting up my Passport Traveler's Notebook as a little bullet journal. So let's do it. So I'm just giving you a little snapshot of this last week that we planned. And I wanted to add 12 p.m. grocery pickup to Sunday, just so that I could stick in another sticker. I love the color story of that kit. It is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Love it, love it, love it. And I'm giving you a little flip through of my weekly pages for last week. My weekly pages used to be to-do lists, and now they are exclusively pretty much what we're doing for school for the kids. So these are the ones that I had just set up for this coming week. It's basically just the, name of the day, the day of the week, and little columns for what we were working on. So the kit that I'm using this week is from Shine Sticker Studio, and it's the Hello Spring kit, and it coordinates with the monthly April kit, and it's so cute, and I'm finally using it this week because this week actually feels like spring, and that is exciting. I picked out some pink polka dot washi that I had gotten from Michael's in a little set with a couple other colors. I just needed some like pastel-y colored washi tapes to kind of coordinate with all these Shine Sticker Studio kits, and those were perfect. So the pink worked well. And I trimmed the date covers a little bit. I don't know why. I probably could have just used them as is and kind of squished them together, but I just trimmed them, and then I kind of put the dot in closer to the word than it was before. That made no sense. But anyways, you can make any kit work for the Hobonichi cousin. All you have to do is like cut about 1 millimeter off each side of like an EC size box, and then you're good to go. It fits just fine. And I honestly don't mind if the boxes are like 1 millimeter over. It doesn't bug me that much. So I decided this week to lay down all the to-do stickers underneath the days of the week. See, this is my conundrum, guys, because I don't like making my to-do lists on my weekly view, but then my weekly view is so empty when I don't use them, and the 3 checklist things aren't really big enough for my to-do lists. So I'm just having issues. Issues in my brain about what I want to do for planning. I don't know. But anyways, I laid down the weekend banner, and I like to highlight the week it is in the month so that I don't feel like a, fish floating in space.
God, yet another thing that makes absolutely no sense.
I'm sorry, guys. It is Monday at 8:30 a.m. and I worked last night, and my brain is not on fire right now. It's questionable whether it ever is, but it's certainly not now. So I realized there's only 4 checklists, so I didn't have one for Friday. So I just decided to pick up the to-do sticker and lay down Luna with the rainbow, and then put the weekend banner. And I like the way that looks. I edited out where I tried to make my own little banner, like to-do checklist that matched the other ones. Oh God, epic freaking fail. It looked so stupid. So I stuck a sticker over it. And then I'm just putting in the other decorative boxes. I love those little bows. You can see I trimmed it, but I don't know what planet I was living on when I trimmed it, because look at how weirdly I trimmed it. One side is like 3 inches long and one side is like 2 millimeters long. I don't know, you guys. I really don't. I'm using the habit tracker to just track walking. And then I put a to-do banner that I had on another, never mind, an extra to-do banner. and a grocery cart to signify like to buy or whatever. It's weird, they give you a ton of to-do banners in the Shine Sticker Studio Pocket Kit, but only 4 little banner checklist things. I'm probably using the wrong terminology. I don't know. But anyway, it's an awkward mismatch. But I do love the pocket kits for planning in these weeks because it's like the perfect amount of deco stickers and stuff. I don't know if she's making pocket kits anymore, but they're still listed on her site, I believe. And I love them. They're my fave. The B6 kits have a lot more decoration and are a little bit bigger as well. Those work stickers were sent to me by my friend Jamie, and I thought the colors kind of coordinated, and I had signed up. I didn't know how to track my work schedule this week because I had signed up extra like every single day, so I wanted to be able to like mark that with the sticker, and then I cut off the little flags for the pay bill things. This is a sheet that came with the April or maybe May monthly setup kit from Shine Sticker Studio, and I just cut those off because I never use those pay bill stickers. I leave that to my husband. I'm not going to sully my planner with bill paying. And then, so I cut those off, and then I just wrote EX in the little flag to signify if it was an extra shift or if it was like a scheduled. You know what I mean? Probably makes no sense to you guys. And then I was laying down that little rainbow sticker just for school, you know, in the morning, early afternoon time. And then a sticker for dance on Monday, sort of in the afternoon. And then my son's morning meeting, Zoom call on Wednesday. I swear my kids have more conference calls than I do. I don't know who I would have to conference call, but I switched around those stickers because I didn't want too many rainbows right next to each other, so I put the banners on Thursday instead of the rainbow sticker. Because Addie has dance on Thursday night, and then I put a sticker on Sunday for grocery pickup, because that's typically when Michael schedules it for. And then I am writing on my stickers with my Pigma Micron in the 0.3, or no, the 0.3 size. And that's my favorite size. It's like the Goldilocks of Pigma Micron sizing. On the Shine Sticker Studio stickers, you can use the Pigma Microns. They work great. On vinyl stickers like Sweet Kawaii Designs, you need to use the Sharpie pen permanent markers, or nothing else will stick. And then I decided to pull in stickers from one of the Michael's Shine Sticker Studio sticker packs. This one was Star and Luna in rainbows. And so I used some of that hollow decoration. Hollow isn't my favorite thing. I know that's an unpopular opinion, but I don't know why. I just don't. It feels like, I don't know. I can't put my finger on it. It's not my favorite. It depends on the hollow, I guess. But I stuck some on the bottom. I don't hate it. I don't love it. It's nice, I guess. And then I used little flags on our daily pages just to signify if there was a time for a Zoom call. I wrote that on the flag just to remind myself, because somehow last week we managed to miss dance, even though I had written it literally that morning in 10 different planners. We were eating dinner, and I was like,
Oh, shit.
we have ballet right now. If you guys ever question if my life is together, it is not. I just like planners. So here's my little passport traveler's notebook from Traveler's Company, and you guys saw the setup video. I've been loving it. It's been in my purse and in my work bag. Not really my purse, because I don't go anywhere and I carry my purse. So it's basically been in my work bag, and then I've been using it as my general to-do list, since my daily pages are kind of being taken up by my kids' like school stuff. So I set it up last week as like a little bullet journal. I did like a little weekly box, and it fit perfectly in these little, this is the notebook that came with the Passport TN, and I do 3 3 boxes for every, oh my Lord, every day 3 boxes, and it fits to have 7 days. That is, oh, stick with me, guys. Usually I make like slightly more sense than this. So I just do this as like timed things through the week, just so I have a snapshot in my little carry calendar. And I'm using my vintage Sarasa pens to kind of write on there. And then, as always, my Uni Jetstream pens to write with. Those are my favorite. I have all this stuff linked below on Amazon if you are interested. And then I just am doing lists because lists are my life. So I just do it a day at a time. And it's working well because, like, things are so different now that I didn't need a whole page to-do list like I used to use before I started using the Avec pages for my kids' school. So this bullet journal style I really like. And I mean, just a little birdie told me that I might be considering doing a little bit of switching-aroos. So again, just made no sense. So if that interests you, then stay tuned, and I'm going to be using a lot more stickers, I think, in my bullet journal because you guys are animals and have sent me so many stickers that besides trying to share them, which I'm going to, I want to just start using them everywhere because they make me happy. And, you know, what more can we ask for these days? So this week I need to film a video showing you some things that Arteza kindly sent me to help me organize my space. And it's incredible. I'm not lying. I really like this stuff. So I need to show you. And then we need to do the real simple because I'm so far behind and there's good images in this last monthly issue. So that's kind of what's on tap. Here's my planner. Let's hope that I don't forget the plans that I just wrote in it. So if you guys are having a struggle, I'm with you. We'll do it together. See you soon. Bye.